Welcome to the ACE JL Spare Tire Plate Relocate installation video. Your carrier should start by looking something similar to this. First, you'll need to remove the spare tire. Using a Torx bit, remove the two screws on either side of the camera. Then push the tire stanchion back as far as it will go. Using a panel puller, remove the clip on the inside of the carrier holding the stanchion in place and push the stanchion further in. Now using a Sawzall, carefully cut off the outer ring of the camera mount. Be careful not to cut the inner sleeve or the camera wiring. Unscrew and unplug the camera from the inner mount and remove the stanchion completely from the carrier. Disassemble the stanchion and reposition only the rear portion back into the carrier. Reinstall it using the two small factory bolts. You'll then need to access the wiring for the license plate light, which is the only 2-pin connector of the harness. Using butt connectors, extend the wiring and run it through the rear of your Jeep to the new location as you see fit. Install the inside piece of the tire stanchion to the carrier and run the wiring through the access hole. Mount the tire back up, attach the plate mount, and install and connect the third brake light and backup camera. Also, don't forget to add your license plate. That's it. You've now installed the ACE JL Spare Tire Plate Relocate. Thank you.